Well, it was about 15 degrees last night, and this morning the Jimny wouldn't start. And this has been an ongoing problem when it got cold, so this battery is done for. It's no good in the cold. It'll sit overnight and I can't start it. I've been putting my battery charger on it, including a battery repair function, and I can't get this battery to start it up. So it is time to replace this battery. So I was able to go down to Walmart and get a battery that'll work in the Jimny, which is not always possible with these imported vehicles. So luckily for me, they had one in stock. Not the cheapest battery, it ran about $190, which there's something cheaper out there. But this will be a bolt-in to the Jimny because it has the correct Japanese pencil post style batteries in the correct positive and negative orientation. And the size of this battery is only slightly bigger than the original Jimny battery. Alright, to replace this battery, I need an 8mm for the battery hold down, and I need a 10mm for the two battery terminals. I'll start by unscrewing my 8mm on the tie down. Everything's nice and cold out here today too. Bare fingers getting cold. Don't lose my nut. Alright, now I can take off my 10mm terminals. Alright, that was easy. Now the negative. Alright, and there's that battery. Okay, let's check it out. Alright, here's my new battery next to my old one that I removed. You can see they are similar in size, but this new one is actually about 1.5 inches, 2 inches longer. Luckily, it still fits in the Jimny perfect. Now, I can't actually use this new battery in a Honda Beat or a Subaru Sambar. It just doesn't fit in those because it's longer, but it does fit the Jimny. You can also see the size. It's the same width here, so it fits pretty nice, and it's the same height. Top it off, my plus and my minus are in the correct locations, so all my cables will fit nicely. So let's get it installed. And there, it's sitting down in the tray. Now I connect up my clamps. Get my Japanese small terminals on. We'll do the negative first. There's slightly less chance that I somehow arc something out if I do the negative first. I say slightly less because you can always find a way. Life finds a way. Okay, there's my positive. Get this tightened. Alright, those are tight. Now to get my battery clamp, my battery tie down on, I have to get that side hooked in. And to come in here, fish this one down through that bracket, and there we go. Just need my nut that I did not yet lose. Let's see if I can lose it this time. Alright, and just like that, the battery's installed. I'm going to go start it. Well, it was a balmy 15 degrees overnight again, and this has been sitting. I haven't started it. It's been a little bit less than 24 hours since that new battery's installed. Let's just make sure it still works. Success.